How's it going, everyone? So today I want to talk about how to get rid of neck pain from sleeping wrong. So before we get over how to get rid of it, let's first understand why we are getting that neck pain. Once we understand why we know we are getting that neck pain, then you guys will never get it again. So there's going to be a few different reasons why you can possibly be getting this neck pain. So one of the main reasons that I've found with a lot of people that ask me this question is number one is that they sleep with the window open at night. If you sleep with the window at night because you like it really cool in your room, what will happen is that cool air will actually make your muscles stiffen in the back. The exact same thing is why people stretch before they play sports, they warm up before the gym, because cold muscles make you stiff. So if you are experiencing that, maybe just close the window just a little bit or completely close it altogether, you guys. So very important. Second tip on how to prevent it is to make sure you are using enough pillows, you guys. A lot of people, they only use one pillow, their head is kind of tilted, and this causes a really bad neck pain. So really make sure your head is neutral when you guys are sleeping. Make sure you're not using too many pillows, not too little pillows either. Third thing is make sure you are taking a warm bath, you guys. Warm baths help circulate the blood in your neck area, so if you are experiencing it, make sure you guys are taking a warm bath. Exercising regularly. If you are exercising regularly and stretching, your neck muscles will be fine. As for stretches, I recommend just simple twisting your neck. As for what exercises to help your neck muscles, barbell traps, you guys. Barbell traps is going to be an amazing exercise that's really going to allow you guys to develop your neck area and your trap area. So very important that you guys do that. So once you already have the neck pain though, you're watching this video, you have the neck pain. You now know what to do not to get the neck pain, but how do you get rid of it now that you already have it? So there's going to be a few different things that you can try out, you guys. First one that I love to do is a warm shower, you guys. The same reason why you can prevent it, if you already have it, is the warm shower. Again, it causes hotness on your neck, and what this is going to do, it's going to increase blood circulation. That's why if you're ever sore, you should take hot baths, hot showers. It just helps the muscles, you guys. It's really, really important that you guys do this. Second tip, and I do this with my muscles all the time if I'm very tired, and that's going to be taking Epsom salt baths, you guys. Epsom salt baths are amazing. Now, I was very skeptical about these when I first started them. My fiance actually bought them. She's like, oh, try these out. I'm like, that's crap. That'll never work. Blah, blah, blah. It's dumb. It works. Oh my God, you guys. You take an Epsom salt bath and your muscles are all sore. After that, you're going to be feeling way better. Again, it may seem like it's crap, it won't work, but what I've been realizing with everything in life is that to try it, you guys, just try it. Even though it may seem really crappy, it may seem really stupid, it just might work for you. So always be open-minded, you guys. So I highly recommend you guys try the Epsom salt baths. Third tip to get rid of that neck pain is going to be what I like to do is the cold hot method. So what I will do is I will put an ice pack on my neck for roughly 2 to 3 minutes. After that, I will immediately apply a heating pad to it. So it's kind of like using icy hot gel. If you guys have ever tried that, it just relaxes the muscle. So by doing this, you get the coldness from the ice pack, then the heat from the heat pack. So what's it going to do? It's really going to numb it, and then it's going to bring in more muscle from the heat, more blood circulation, and it's just going to help your neck way better. So I do this with a lot of my muscles, just not my neck, and I can tell you it's amazing. You can also try doing it with showers as well. Cold shower for 2-3 minutes, hot shower 2 to 3 minutes. That will work as well, you guys. Give me a second here. I write all my notes down. Acupuncture. I highly recommend this too if you guys can afford it. If you guys want to try something new, if none of those tips have been helping you, then try acupuncture, you guys. That can really help you guys. The last tip is going to be massages. So if you guys have someone at home, that can help you with a massage. Just ask them, hey, can you rub my neck? What this does is by rubbing your neck, you can even do it yourself. By rubbing it, what this does is it increases blood circulation, guys. That's why massages feel good. That's why massages helps you out. It's because you are getting blood circulation in the muscle that is causing you pain. So those are a lot of tips, you guys, that I gave you how to get rid of the pain and how to prevent the pain from even coming on. So hopefully you guys did enjoy my video. Hopefully you guys did learn something new today. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks for watching, guys.